I like to share my knowledge of Peranakan food with people because I feel that if you don't spread it, the cuisine is going to die. Hi, I'm Sylvia Tan. I'm a cookbook author and I'm a home cook. Today I cook because I just love it, and I think that nothing beats a home-cooked meal. And I try very hard to give at least a home-cooked meal once a day. I regularly invite young people to my table. They come and eat, so they know what it is. And I always tell them it's easy to do.